Civil Services pamjaba maheiroi singi achouba khudong chaba mu pigadouriba Delhi gi Maming Leiraba Chanakya IAS Academy gi Ahanba Imphal Centre Ngasi hounabi matungina Hangdokhre Irang asina maram oiraga lanjennariba maheiroi amadi atei backward maheiroi sing chada chamagi scholarship program phanghannaba Academy asina shem sari haina Academy asigi founder and chairman success guru Mishra na phongdorakli Manipur gi oina Imphal gi Babupurada Hangdokhiba Chanakya IAS Academy Imphal Centre Hangdokpaga mari leina Success Guru Mishra amadi Academy asigi Imphal Centre gi Director Ranjit Angom na sarugyaduna pangthokiba paugi mefama maja wafamasi mahakna phongdokhibani mefama duda Mishra na makhatana hai Chanakya IAS Academy gi kunmanga suba center oina ngasi hangdokliba Imphal Centre asina Manipur amadi atei North East State singi civil service pamjaba maheiroi singda kanaba pikadaba Academy ase Imphal dama hangdokpa ngamba simak harauba fawe Chai khudingi UPSC na lauba exam da Manipur dagi maheiroi leptani yaurakpa asina Manipur gi maheiroi singda leiriba talent sing asigi yangnaga hena khudong chaba piba ngamnaba Imphal Centre ase hangdokpane Asi hangdokliba Imphal Centre asida Delhi gi center da fangba session leifam chafam library na chingba khudong chaba khuding phanghale amadi khwaidagi maruoina Academy asigi hanba batch ki oina su chada kunmanga dagi chada chama fawgi scholarship program su hapli haina makna phongdokhi May 10 dagi hanba batch oina class hawgadoriba asigi mangoina hayeng April 15 da Academy asigi founder and chairman success guru Mishra masamakna chair lauduna how to crack IAS exam haiba free seminar amasu pangthokadari regular amadi weekend batches haina khaidoktuna hangdokhre class asida Ahanba batch ki oina miyoi 30 dagina chama fawba admission tawbuge khudong chaba Academy asina piri haina su makna makata ki
We have been getting a good number of selections almost every year from Northeast, especially from Manipur. And it was a dream for me which is coming true, and that is going to give us opportunity to serve the students, those who want to go for civil services, but they are not able to go get the best of training here. And not everybody is in a position to go to Delhi for the study. So keeping this thing in mind, it is really a great opportunity for us also, and I'm really happy, and I'm sure and we promise you that we'll be able to do the best because all the trainers will be coming from Delhi. We will have the same facility which we are providing in Delhi. In any one of the best institutions in Delhi will be available here, including library facility, maybe accommodations also, so the people coming from across northeast of India, from different states also will have a big destination in Imphal to study also for civil services.